back in the building for another video. Today, as you can see from over there on the floor, we're getting ready to put the stock suspension back on the GTI. Basically what the car was doing was making this noise. Any kind of steering input at low speeds. Super annoying and very loud. So we're gonna swap back in the stock stuff, get this dead strut out of here, and let's get to it. So I started with compressing the old springs on the OEM shocks. I mean, it wasn't really difficult with the tool. You can actually get these tools from like AutoZone, Harbor Freight, those kind of places. It just screws down and compresses it. And then we added in the lowering spring. It's a 1-inch drop from D&A Motorsports. Fits the platform well. So moving on from there, obviously was taking off the steering knuckle, the in links and all that kind of stuff. Also guys, make sure that you pay attention to, there's a tiny little in link that goes into a sensor for the traction control, so make sure that you undo that one first. I actually broke it and had to fix it so that the traction control would work properly, but just be mindful of that. And yeah, I moved on to the other side. The first side was a little bit painstaking, but the second side went a whole lot faster just because I knew what to do and how to do it a little bit better. But yeah, we dropped in everything that needed to go in, and from there it went pretty smooth. Car's running good. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. I'm super excited about the A4 build. That's why I kind of dropped a little teaser in there. As far as that build goes, new video coming soon on that one. But thanks for watching and stay tuned. We got some cool things coming.